Today I'm sharing with you a entry into my latest journal. I took a page from Daphne's diary. This is from number 7 from 2024. The magazine had this little cutout that was part of it. Sometimes they have these little like pop-outs and such, and I grabbed one of those. Oh, this is funny actually that I would open up to the page of soup, because that is actually the first thing that I journaled about. Interesting. I wonder if I can actually do a tip-in with something like this. This isn't the recipe that I use. I actually found a recipe on Instagram, and let's just see what I can do about adding this in. Let's take these out while we have them. This is just a happy little coincidence. But basically, if we go to the page that I was last working on, I have created a self-care autumn checklist by basically just taking some pages that were from the magazine, and I used this to create the edges. So I cut 2 strips from a paper that I liked, that I thought matched the centerpiece here. I fussy cut out these 2 little girls, and then I just glued in the center of the page the self-care checklist. And the first thing that I've checked off is that I created a butternut squash soup with vegetables from my father-in-law's garden. And I can just looking at this thinking, I wonder if this could be sort of tipped in somehow, where it would be opened up like this. You know what I mean? It's kind of a neat idea. Yeah, like I really like that idea. Let's do that. Let's find a good washi tape. I've got this really cute washi tape that is like one of my favorite seasonal ones. I've also got this cute washi tape. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So this little self-care page was really funny. I actually even considered doing, if it's the right way I want to do it, so that it opens up. I want it to open up like this. Put the words inside so that the recipes open that way. I considered doing it as a FabFitFun fall box, because there were actually things in the fall box that I could have picked. There was a pie server, there was a sweater, there were hot cocoa mugs, there were socks, there was a journal, and there were spa type products that you could have in the box as well. It was actually perfectly, even a candle I could have picked. So I considered making this a page for that, but because it had this perfect little checklist in it, I decided to make that the focal point. This is just too cute to not use, this adorable washi. And let's put it in here. If you're not following me on Instagram, I did a really cute little video there talking all about how I am using this junk journal. Do I want to go this way? I think I do. To create softness, celebrate the season, and utilize my craft space with fall decor to match. My daughter had said something about how I decorate in the kitchen, and I said that that's my space in the house to make seasonally decorative. And she said, isn't your craft room for that? And it's like, yeah, maybe it should be. Okay, so what do we think? That's kind of cute that now I've added this element of recipes to this self-care page. That was just a little off-the-cuff discovery just by happening to open up to the book. And I can continue to check off as I make things or do things for the season, read the magazine, decorate my fairy garden, which is something I have maybe on the agenda for today. We'll see if I have time to get to it. Anyway, I think this is like a fun way to celebrate the fall season that is newly upon us. I've got a beautiful desk space now that's very inviting and creative inspiration to start creating for the season. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave links if you're interested in seeing how I've done any of my other pages here, and we will see you again next time.